Alright, so I'm working on a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500, and I'm trying to install a new shifter cable. So this right here, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get these clips, and there's an electric little plug right here. So to get it out, this is up. Let's see. It's up there, and you just pry it off, and then you take this electrical piece off. Slide this red thing back, pull this down, and it comes out. And then there's a lock right here. This is that lock, and it locks into both sides. And then back here, there is a seal. And what I'm gonna try to do is get a flathead and just poke it out, because you can get to it under the hood. It's just kind of a pain in the butt. So we'll see. All right, so I just poked that seal out. You get a new one when you order a new shifter cable. I just use a really long flathead, and I just poked it out. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to grab it and bring it down there and take the old cable out. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So here's the shifter cable. As you can see, mine snapped right here. So I have to get this off. So I'm gonna pry that off, and it should just come right out from there. That's just the holder to make sure it doesn't dangle. And then you can pull it all the way out and put the new one in. All right, so I got my new cable here. Leave all the pins in it for now, like this right here. It's like a safety pin, and you don't pull that out until you're ready to turn the car on and see if it works and everything. So we're gonna put this in through that hole first, because if you try to do that backwards, it's just gonna get the big part that goes up here on the column is just gonna get stuck in that hole, and it's not gonna go through. So I'm gonna put it through that hole and then go up top and feed it down. Alright, now I can reach down. I can get down there. It's right down there. It's kind of blurry, but and I can grab it. So I got the new cable just dangling right there, but I'm not going to install it yet down there because I need this part to work before I even think about going down there. So, because this is the hardest part. And none of it's really hard. You gotta put this seal in here. That's a pain in the butt. None of it's really hard. You just gotta play with it for a minute. There we go, it's cleared up. I gotta get that in there. Then I'll show you what I do over here. Okay, so way to help you out. This slot right here, there's a little slot right there. That's what that slides up into. Like I'm doing this one-handed, and then it clips. That's exactly where it needs to be. Don't try to put it in any other way, you might break it. And I'm gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so I had it installed, and I was wondering why this wasn't facing that latch. And I realized this thing right here spins. Let me see if I can show it to you. Okay. So this right here, you can twist any way you want. All right, now I'm just gonna slide that on. All right, whew. It's kind of tough to get on, but it won't come out. So that's slid on, that's in its latch. Now I'm gonna plug this guy in. That's plugged in now. And I'm not gonna pull this yet because I need to get that other side set. But after you get done installing it, pull it, make sure everything works. Okay, so this is very easy. You take your sorry, I'm doing this looking through the phone. All right. And then got it on there. That's in its little cradle, and you're good to go. Don't forget to pull this thing out.